So here I'm going to draw a couple of objects in 2-point perspective, and then I will draw a ground plane. This is first going to be a box, and then I'll draw a ground plane of where these objects sit, so that we have some indication of a surface where these objects are sitting on or resting on. So first is making this box. I'm not using any dimensions, I'm just randomly making a box. Something that looks good. And about as accurate as I can make it for now. So I'm gonna make it a transparent box so that it makes it easier to turn this box into a cylinder or any other volume that I might want. Okay, got the box in space, 2-point perspective. Now I'm going to use the same perspective to create a surface. I could do a 2-point, or I can also have these objects sit on a 1-point perspective plane. So in this case, I'm going to do a 1-point perspective. So imagine this is a table. This is the front part of the table. So this is a 2-point perspective object that sits on a table that is at a 1-point perspective to the viewer. All right. So long as they share the same eye level, it should make sense. If I change the eye level, I'll make things a bit more difficult. So on a 1-point perspective, we want all horizontal lines to be parallel to each other. In this case, I don't want that table to touch any of these volumes. Only the corners creating an uncomfortable tangent. Right, so just to finish off that illusion of this as being a table, I'm going to give it a front edge. All right, so to clarify, edge of the table, closest edge of that table, and that's that. Okay, so the 2-point perspective box sitting on a 1-point perspective table.